Hi class, this is Instructor Fran and I want to show you how oftentimes you can find the APA reference citation for articles that you read on the actual articles page. I'm going to use two articles from week 2 of English 100 as an example of how to find these citations. I'm going to click on this first article. It's an EBSCO article. And as you can see, the article comes up. And if you look over on the side, you'll see a box that says, an icon that says Cite. I'm going to click on that. Okay, and as I click on that, I can scroll down and find APA. Now, all I need to do is cut and paste this citation into my paper. In addition, it's important to look and make sure that all of the punctuation and capitalization is correct in the citation, because this is just an automated tool that's lifting the information from the site. So the capitalization, the periods, the commas, there could be something that's off. So when I look at this citation, I know my basic rules for APA reference citations, and I know that only the first letter of the article title is capitalized along with the first letter after a colon and the first letter of any proper nouns in that article title. And as you can see, this article title is not properly capitalized. So if I were to cut and paste this into a document, I would need to go through and change that. So only for this one, the first letter of the article title, there's no proper nouns, and the first letter after the colon should be capitalized. So this is much easier to fix the capitalization than to create the reference from scratch. Okay, the other thing I notice is that there is a background on that. So there's a few ways I can try to get rid of that gray background. I'm going to click and see if Format Painter will work. It did, but you can see it removed all of the formatting. So if that happens, I go back in. The only real issue is italicizing the journal title. And then if I want to make this an active link, then I might need to just go in and make it an active link. And that, I'm not sure how to do that. The one last thing is make sure that you format the paragraph. Reference citations are supposed to have a hanging indent. So that's how I would change that one, and it looks pretty good. I might work on making that link a live link. Okay, so let's go back to the second possible article. If I click on this, it's going to take me to a different type of database. So we're going to look and see the different place to find this. So this is the ProQuest article, and I'm going to go over to Cite. Okay, and again, you can see APA pops up. If for some reason I needed something else, I could look through, but I cut and paste this at this point. The title looks good. It looks as if it's already has proper indentation with the hanging indent, and so I'm going to format it in. Just cut and paste it in, and then you can see that one was really good to go. So if you want, you usually can find the APA citation on an articles page, but you have to double check to make sure that the capitalization and punctuation is correct. If it's lifting an article that's already properly formatted for a reference citation, like this one, then you're good to go. If, however, you are working with an article title that does not have proper APA reference page citation like this, then you're going to have to go in and change it because the citation tool is just lifting it from here. I hope that helps in your journey to make proper APA citations.